Hi guys, what is WeChat Pay? Hidden fees and limit every new users find out the hard way. So, WeChat Pay is the payment system built into the WeChat. It lets you pay participating merchant by scanning QR code, showing a payment code, and using other supported payment features. If you're using international card, however, there are few fees and limits you should understand before making payments. So let's get started, guys. You can link an international card to, for example, there you go. Add a bank card before using this feature. You can add a bank card right there. You can link an international card visitor to maintain China can link an eligible international card to WeChat Pay without necessarily having a Chinese bank account. So the 2000 fee rule, 200 fee rule is the one of the biggest thing new users should know for international card payment. A single transaction or less is exempt from the 3% international card service fee. A transaction above 200 can have a 3% fee on the transaction amount. So your bank can charge separately. The WeChat Pay fee isn't necessarily the only cost. Your card issuer may have its own foreign exchange or foreign transaction charge. There are spending limits. Published limits for international cards have changed over time. So, commonly list limit around 6,000 to 6,500 per transaction with cumulative monthly, what they call this, monthly yearly also applying. But yeah, I think those are the stuff. And WeChat Pay has offered promotion for first time international card users where the 3% off is waived for qualifying spending during limited promotional period. And yeah, anyways, guys, before tapping pay, look at the final amount, currency, applicable fee, and payment method. But yeah, there you go. The biggest takeaway, guys, is WeChat Pay can extremely convenient, especially for visitors in China. But don't assume that every payment is free or that every account has the same limits. But there you guys, hope you guys like the video was enjoyed. If you have no question, consider stop with the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. See you guys in the next one, and thank you, guys.